Decoding the TOEFL Speaking Section. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving into the intriguing world of the TOEFL Speaking Section. If you're planning on taking the TOEFL test anytime soon, or you're just curious about it, you're in the right place. We'll break down its structure and give you a clear overview to help you succeed. Let's get started. The TOEFL Speaking Section is designed to measure your ability to speak English effectively in academic settings. Test takers will encounter different types of tasks that emulate real-world situations where English is used for communication. The TOEFL Speaking Section is divided into 4 tasks. 1. Independent Speaking Task, Task 1. Here, you'll be asked to express an opinion on a familiar topic. This is your chance to showcase your ability to speak spontaneously and coherently on a subject. 2. Integrated Speaking Tasks, Tasks 2 to 4. These tasks combine more than one skill. For instance, 3. Task 2 requires reading a short passage, listening to a short lecture, and then speaking in response. 4. Task 3 involves listening to a conversation or lecture and then speaking about it. 5. Task 4 requires reading a passage, listening to a conversation, and then speaking about them. It's crucial to understand that integrated tasks test not only your speaking skills but also your ability to comprehend reading and listening materials. Your responses are evaluated based on 1. Delivery. This is about clarity. Is your speech clear, fluid, and with good pronunciation? 2. Language use. It assesses your grammar and vocabulary. Are you using varied and accurate structures and words? 3. Topic development. This checks how well you respond to the question and if you can construct a coherent response with supporting details. A composite score will be derived based on your performance in all tasks, and it's a part of the total TOEFL score. Practice, practice, practice. Like any skill, speaking improves with practice. Engage in English conversations often. Listen to academic lectures. This helps familiarize yourself with the kind of content and language used. Structure your responses. Always try to have a clear beginning, middle, and end when constructing your answers. Time management. Remember, the time for each task is limited. Train yourself to give concise yet comprehensive answers. And there you have it, a clear overview of the TOEFL Speaking Section. Remember, it's all about showcasing your ability to communicate effectively in English. We hope this breakdown helps you in your TOEFL preparation journey. Best of luck, and happy studying!